In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete unstarred emails in your Gmail Promotions tab. If your inbox has become cluttered with promotional emails that you no longer need, I'm here to guide you through a straightforward way to clean up a bit and get organized. First, let's navigate to the Promotions tab. Open your Gmail account using a web browser. By default, Gmail categorizes emails into several tabs to keep everything organized. You'll find the Promotions tab located right next to the Primary tab. Simply click on Promotions to reveal all the promotional emails you've received. Now, we need to focus on filtering out those unstarred emails, which are typically the ones you've not marked as important to you. To do this, click on the search bar at the top of the page. In this space, type the command Unstarred. This command instructs Gmail to filter your emails to show only those that haven't been starred, effectively hiding the ones you consider important. Once you've typed in the command, press Enter to apply the filter, and you'll see a list of all unstarred emails in your Promotions tab. The next step is selecting and deleting these emails. To start, notice the small square checkbox at the top left corner just under the search bar. By clicking this checkbox, you select all the emails currently visible on your page. However, since you're looking to clean up more than just what's visible, look out for a small notification saying something like, "All 50 conversations on this page are selected." Next to it, you'll see a link that says, "Select all conversations in Promotions." Click on this link, and you've now selected all unstarred emails in your Promotions tab, not just the ones on the first page. Once all relevant emails are selected, find the trash can icon at the top of your inbox. Clicking it will move these emails to your trash folder. At this point, a pop-up will likely ask you to confirm that you want to delete these emails. Confirm this step by clicking OK, and they will be moved to the trash automatically. Lastly, deleting them permanently is optional. The deleted emails will remain in the trash folder for 30 days before Gmail permanently deletes them. However, if you're eager to erase them sooner, navigate to your trash folder, select any emails you'd like to permanently remove, and hit the Empty Trash Now button to clear them out. And there you have it, an easy guide to decluttering your Gmail Promotions tab by deleting unstarred emails. I hope this video helps you in keeping your inbox neat and tidy. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more handy tips. Thank you for watching. Thank you.